Alright, so these examples will correspond with section 6.1, all about linear equations. First, we want to be able to determine the slope of a line between 2 points. The formula for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the difference in the y's over the difference in the x's. If you need to mark your ordered pairs, go ahead and mark them. And then we can find our slope. M equals -3 minus 4 over 6 minus -1. So this is -7 over 7. My slope is -1. Next, I want to practice writing an equation in slope-intercept form. And my question got cut off here a little bit, but this is a slope of 5 and a y-intercept of -2. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is my slope and b is my y-intercept. So y equals 5x minus 2. The second example that I have down here, it got cut off as well. It has a slope of 2/3 and a y-intercept of 8. So that would be y equals 2/3 x plus 8. If I give you slope and a point, you can use point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. The x and the y are going to stay x and y. This ordered pair is x1, y1, and then of course my slope is m. So y minus -2 equals 3 times x minus 4. Y plus 2 equals 3x minus 12. And then subtract 2 from both sides to solve for y. We always want our answer in slope-intercept form. Now for my second one, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So y minus -3 equals -1/2 times x minus 6. Y plus 3 is equal to -1/2 plus 3, and then subtract 3 from both sides, and I end up with y equals -1/2, I left off an x plus 0, or just y equals -1/2 x. So the last two, we have some special lines. First of all, if I determine the slope through them, -1 minus -1 over 8 minus 5. On the top, I'll get 0. On the bottom, 3. That's okay. If you did 0 divided by 3 in your calculator, you would get 0 back out. I'm going to sketch a little graph of these points. There's 5, -1, and 8, -1. Notice that if I connect them, those 2 points, it is a horizontal line. All horizontal lines have an equation of y equals some constant. And it's pretty easy if I give you the ordered pairs to figure out what constant that is. Y equals whatever y equals, -1. And then the other special line, if I first find the slope, 2 minus 5 over -3 minus -3. On the top I have -3, on the bottom 0. That is undefined. If you try to do that in your calculator, it will give you an error message. So if I plot these points, there's -3, 5 and -3, 2. If I try to connect my dots here, notice that they make a vertical line. All vertical lines have the equation x equals some constant, and you can go look at your ordered pairs to see what x equals for that particular situation. And here x equals -3.